Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I am a full-time content creator for going on 6+ years now with a background in interior design. I'm originally from Eastern Washington and my fiance Skylar and I have been back home in Tri-Cities, Washington for a couple of months now, I believe. So in today's vlog, I'm taking you guys along with me to get my hair done, a hair makeover, cut and color at Allure Salon here in Kennewick, Washington. I'm so excited. My hair is in desperate need of a cut and color, and it's just in time for my trip to LA to see my sister. So I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can here and there during the hair makeover process, and then we'll also be doing like some packing for LA and stuff like that. So should be a fun vlog. Gosh guys, okay, so we are back in the car. My hair looks so good. So what you guys probably didn't know, which I did not mention, is that it's been about 6 months now. The last time I got my hair colored was in August, so really it had all kind of just grown out and you could kind of see it peeking underneath my hair, but it was more of like my natural hair color is kind of coming in more of like a dull brown color, so it really needed to be done because underneath it was kind of starting to look gray. But now we have the same color all the way through. We also did, Randi recommended, basically, I'm not sure what it's called, but we kind of stripped out all of the color and all of the chemicals that were in my hair before, just from all these like different years. And so all of it was basically one neutral color so that we were able to color it all, so it would all be the same color, which definitely needed to be done because I feel like I had so many different colors in my hair for so many years. I would get balayages, and before I would get balayages I was like dyeing my hair red, and then it's only been the past several years that I've been going more towards my natural hair color, which is a dark brown. But we actually discovered that my hair does have a red undertone to it naturally. So when we went to color it, we did a little bit more of like a cooler dark brown, and it'll just be easier for my natural hair color to grow out with this color. So I am thrilled about that. It feels so soft. I love that it's all like just that one even color, a little bit of a cooler brown. You can definitely tell before my hair would always have like a little bit of like a purpley red tint to it, which was just from all of the years of color. And I'm so glad that we now finally have it down to a base where it's all the same color. Randi also went in and fixed my curtain bangs, which a lot of the times I'll just trim myself. And of course, I am not a hairstylist, so they were never quite perfect. So now they are even out. I'm thrilled about that. We have some bang hair that we're trying to grow out longer, so we did not touch that. That is just gonna have to be like blended in eventually. And Randi actually said that I have a ton of baby hairs growing in, so that is really exciting exciting. I don't know if I've talked about this a ton on here, but I was kind of struggling with some hair loss. I think it was just lots of like stressful stuff going on with like the move and stuff, and I wasn't maybe taking like my diet or all the vitamins I should have been taking. So now that I'm back on track for that, I have a lot of hair growing in. My hair is starting to feel a lot thicker, especially now that we're letting these bang hairs grow out. I'll have more hair to play with. So I just could not be happier with how this is looking. I will show you guys my hair a little bit more throughout this vlog. So I'm gonna head home now, and then later on in this vlog, we will be packing and doing more things to get ready for my trip to LA, which I now have new hair for. So I am definitely a happy gal. So if you guys are located in the Tri-Cities area, I would definitely recommend Randi at Allure Salon. It's a very cute, spacious salon here in Kennewick off of 395, and it is super spacious. There is a ton of like natural light, tons of windows up at the front. They even have a skylight in the middle. There are also several studios that you can rent from where people do like permanent makeup, and I think like other kinds of hairstyling and things like that. I think there's even like maybe a makeup artist there. So definitely check it out. They have so much to offer, and it is a super, super cute salon. So Randi is who did my hair, and she is super sweet, very, very knowledgeable, and I had such a great experience with her. So I highly recommend Randi at Allure Salon. Okay, so it is now a few days later. I have not washed my hair since getting it cut, which is why it's still nice and curled. Also, I wrap my hair at night with like a silk wrap, so that also helps keep the curls. But I'm waiting to wash my hair until tomorrow. Basically, my flight to LA is on Saturday. So we have been running a bunch of errands that we had to get done for that upcoming photo shoot that we are going to be shooting right when I get back from my trip to LA. But I wanted to really quickly show you guys what I'm going to be packing. I think I have it almost nailed down. So it is in the afternoon, so I'm sorry if the lighting is a little bit crazy, but basically I have everything laid out here on the bed. There's Indio patiently waiting. So, or maybe not so patiently waiting, we'll see. I've got 2 pairs of pants here and a pair of shorts. So my new unpublished denim jeans, these white vintage Bill Blaz shorts, and then these unpublished denim wide leg jeans. They are a little bit pilly. I need to lint roll them, but those are going to be my jeans and pants options. I've got a little bag here. I'm not sure if that's the only bag I'm bringing. A Saison belt. So here are the jewelry pieces and the sunglasses I'm bringing, I think so far. I just thrifted a lot of those recently. I also have my swimsuit here, a little macrame swimsuit cover up, 2 jacket options, although I'm going to decide if I'm going to bring both or just one. That is the bag I'm bringing as my personal bag, because I'm going to have to fit stuff in there as well. So here are a couple of the tops. The corduroy one is an Able flannel, and the left and right tops are both from Gray State Apparel. So I've got this kind of long sleeve Western inspired top, and then this kind of 70s mod sweater tunic. These are also both from Gray State, the sweater dress and the sweater vest combo. And then this is actually a vintage like suede button down. I guess I actually don't need that one and this corduroy one back here, but I actually have a matching one with my sister, so we were gonna maybe do something cute with that. Couple hat options here. I'm probably gonna decide between the white or the Old Navy cap, and then my beanie. It's actually going to be, I think, a little bit chilly while I'm there in LA during this time of the year, so I tried to pack stuff that would be pretty warm but that I could also like layer with. I have one leggings set here, this really cute little butterflies of the world shirt. This shirt and the Old Navy cap are actually both Skylar's mom's. Little workout top and a couple of socks. I need to do a fresh round of laundry so I can have some more socks and underwear. And then I've got a couple of my toiletry items in here and still need to pack those. And then these are the shoes I'm thinking of. I might be receiving my new pair of Nisolo sandals, so I'll take those instead of this thrifted pair that I just got recently if those arrive. My comfy CVs to walk around in, my new Vivea mules and boots as well. These do actually fold up pretty easily, but I figured that these I could wear with the sweater dress or the shorts, and then these cute little heels to photograph in or for like dressing up for restaurants and stuff. I also was thinking about bringing one of these hats on the wall, probably that one, but I am not sure because it might be kind of a pain to take on the plane, so we'll see. By the way, guys, we just booked a manicure, which I am in desperate need of. Okay, so I actually ended up closing the window because the lighting was just not working with my filming. So here is pretty much what I've narrowed it down to. So I actually have a little bit too much in the suitcase right now. I decided that I'll probably end up wearing this outfit with the boots and the sweater dress, and then with either of those jackets over it as like my outfit that kind of like will take up the most space. So then that way I'm just wearing what takes up the most space. That way I have more room in the bag. I may even end up having to like layer that. We'll see. That's kind of what I always do, is just like layer and wear whatever's the most bulky outfit. Indigo is having fun sniffing everything right now. So in the suitcase, I just realized that I'm not going to be able to take this big tripod most likely because we're only allowed the suitcase and then a personal bag that you can bring on. So I don't think they'll let me take a personal bag and this big tripod. So I think I'm just going to do this little tripod instead, which hopefully will be good enough for anything that we are trying to shoot, because I do want to get some stuff with my sister, but that's always kind of hard without a tripod, but hopefully that will be enough. And then, like I said, if I get the Nisolo sandals, I'll take those. If I don't, I'll probably just take these. I can probably fit both of those in the personal bag. I have my camera in here, this little tote bag that I put all of my chargers and stuff like that in. So like I said, I am visiting in maybe not like the greatest time of the year to be visiting Los Angeles as far as weather. This was kind of a spontaneous trip that we decided on. So either way, I'm super excited. I think it's going to be a very fun trip. And I think I did pretty much pack stuff that will work. Fingers crossed anyways. I did try on a lot of these in like mixed and matched outfits, so I think I'll have enough to work with here for the week that I'm in Los Angeles. Can't wait to style some of these cute outfits, and I cannot wait to see my sister and do all of the fun Los Angeles things. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys aren't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I am uploading about 2 vlogs a week, and also make sure to share my channel with anyone that you think would enjoy this content as well. That way you guys can help me grow my YouTube channel. And don't forget to check me out on all socials at The Urban Darling. You guys are definitely going to want to make sure that you are following along for all of the Los Angeles content. I'll be sharing lots of Los Angeles travel guides and more on my blog and socials in the next upcoming weeks. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlogs, which will be in Los Angeles. Bye!